Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, ApnaFUNDA Online. Welcome to the introduction on our next topic, simple and compound interest. This is a very important topic which we are going to cover. The relevance of this chapter, simple and compound interest, is very high in both mathematics and data interpretation. It plays a major role in finance and economics too. In this video, we look at the concept of time value of money and understand exactly what interest means and how does the value of money change over time. This is a very interesting topic. It has real applications in day-to-day life when you deposit money into your bank or when you take loan from someone. Before we proceed, I want you to have a clear understanding of percentage and its application. You will need to have a good practice of fast percentage calculations. I am sharing the playlist link of all the videos on percentage in the description box. In case if you have not watched or have missed our percentage videos, please click on the link and watch our percentage videos first and then proceed with this topic of simple and compound interest. Also, if you have any query, doubts, or anything you want to tell us, you can mail us at hello@apnafundaonline.in. In the description box, there are also links to our social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter page. Click on those links and follow our page for daily updates. Guys, before we begin, I want you to request to again subscribe to our channel for more educational videos and daily words. At ApnaFUNDA Online, we cover various topics in important areas to help you learn closely and give you an experience of a free e-learning like never. We offer you to learn, practice, and ask doubts to help you add that extra marks to your score. So now let's begin our first video on simple and compound interest. Let's start with an example. Suppose in the month of January 2020, you deposit some money into a bank. You deposit it one time. Now, over the years from January 2020 to January 21, 22, 23, your money grows. Before moving ahead, we need to understand the few principal facts about money. Value of money is never constant. It keeps changing with the changing time. A rupee today will not be equal to a rupee tomorrow. Store of value. Money holds its value from time to time. The importance of the relationship between time and money. We'll understand that. Suppose if you are given to choose between receiving 5,000 today or you know receiving 5,000 after 2 years, you are most likely to choose rupees 5,000 today. Now you can either use this money now or invest it somewhere to make it more money. This is based on the concept of time value of money. It simply means that money can earn interest. So the more sooner you receive, the more interest you can earn. So receiving money sooner is always worth. Money grows over time, as we discussed. When we deposit money into our banks, we see our money growing as per the annual percentage yield. So simply concluding, future money is equal to present money plus time. This brings us to the concept of interest. So what is interest? Finally, we know now. So interest is the amount paid for the use of someone else's money. Someone else means it can be an individual or a bank or an institution or anyone. In reality, there are various forms of money and interest. But the two main types of interest that are most applicable are simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest is the fixed percentage of the principal amount that was paid or borrowed, while compound interest is actually interest on the interest, that is the addition of interest to the principal sum of a loan or deposit. In relation to simple and compound interest, there are a few more terms that you should be familiar with, like principal. Principal means the money lent out or borrowed for a certain period, which is the actual amount that you have paid or you have borrowed. Rate, the rate of interest over the period when the money is borrowed or lent out. Time, for how much time is the money lent out or borrowed? It can be years, months, weeks, days, etc. Amount, amount which is actually received or paid along with interest. Creditor, one who lends money. Debtor, one who borrows money. Some basic differences between simple and compound interest for you to know. Firstly, in case of simple interest, the principal remains fixed. However, in compound interest, the principal keeps on increasing. Similarly, interest also remains fixed in simple interest, and in compound interest, the interest keeps on increasing. In case of simple interest, the interest is not added to the principal. However, in compound interest, the interest is added to principal at the end of every period. In case of simple interest, the interest is only added to the principal at the end of the tenure, not at regular intervals. Interest for next year is always calculated on the original principal, that is, the original money lent out or borrowed. However, in compound interest, the interest for next year is always calculated on the previous year's principal plus the interest earned or paid for the year. I end the video here. In our next video, we look at all the formulas on this topic. So do not forget to watch our next video on simple and compound interest. Watch the next video and make a note of all the formulas that we discuss. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. If you have any query, doubts, or anything you want to tell us, you can mail us at hello@apnafundaonline.in. You can also follow us on social media platforms for daily updates from ApnaFUNDA Online. Ensure you don't miss a single video on this topic, so kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Stay tuned to ApnaFUNDA Online for more educational videos. Thank you.